Hey there, YouTubers, unboxing video time. So this should be a 5300 RPM fan, 120 inch. Let's go ahead and get it open. So after the Noctua 3000 RPM fan, 140, which was ungodly loud. I'm not sure why I'm bothering with this. Now that did make a up to 5-degree difference. And let me get something to cut this open. Good old scissors. But you know, of course, it was just ungodly loud. So this is some Chinese fan, Wathai, brushless DC fan. Doesn't list the RPMs on there. There was a set of 2 of these that you could also buy, and something similar to this. It's just 20 bucks. May or not be, you know, worth it, but let's get some more light on here, folks. Got this backlight out of position. So it's a 4-pin, just a massive ass fan, right? Gonna be hard to connect this to any of my CPU coolers, most likely, but we'll figure out. I'd like to try this on the Noctua NH-U12S. I thought about replacing it on this. This has been an awesome Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120. Surprised how good that thing is. But I thought, you know what? We can drop this on there somehow. If we're lucky, we'll figure out a way, right? But yeah, heavy duty. Comes with a guard. Not really for, you know, CPU aspect, but if you're using it in case, or I think people use these for mining rigs. Not what I bought this for, though. Some information in here, operating instructions. So we'll see. 4 screws. Wow, these are really long screws. And then an extension cable. I don't actually have one of these, so that's kind of nice to have an extension cable. I have splitters or whatever, but don't have one of those. So we will we'll hook this up to something, and then I will do some benchmarks with it, folks. Get some CPU temps, and while that's happening, I'll read out decibels. This will be the intake side, exhaust, and should be good for something. What it is, I don't know. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.